The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. We've covered it extensively here on C4E Tech, right from the hands-on at MWC to a full unboxing, feature focus, and even a full freaking review. Yet, in midst of all that coverage, we didn't talk about one feature. One that Samsung did mention at launch. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and today we're gonna show you how to measure your blood pressure with the Galaxy S9. But before we do, here's a card to our latest giveaway. I'll also be leaving a link in the description below. And while you're down there, click on that bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. I know what you're thinking right now. Ash, I've seen so many videos on the S9, S9 Plus. Why did nobody mention the blood pressure sensor? Does it even work? Well, yes, it does work, and today I'm going to show you how you can get it running once you get your hands on your very own S9 or S9 Plus. Now, this feature isn't officially available in India yet. It's restricted to the US and UK for now, and that's never really stopped us in the past, has it? We have the download link to an APK file in the description below, so if you want to try the app out for yourself, you can download and install it. Now, let's come to the app itself, My BP Lab. Fire the app up and you get greeted with a brief description of what the app actually does. This is basically a research being conducted on stress patterns and blood pressure, and measurements from the app are not to be used for medical purposes. Now with that out of the way, you have to register for research, fill some details, and finally your email. You should get a response within a few moments. Click on the link included in the mail and you'll now be able to start with the research project. The app would ask for a preliminary baseline reading from a blood pressure cuff. Since we didn't have one, we skipped the step and went on. Now the app will tell you how to use the S9's inbuilt blood pressure sensor. Sit down on a chair and maintain a straight posture. Then with your non-dominant hand, grip the phone and cover the light sensor with your index finger. Now, we had to do this a few times. Remember not to press down too hard on the sensor itself and ensure your fingers clean. Finally, raise the phone to a height of roughly where your heart is and keep your hands straight and hit the little hard. Give the app the necessary permissions and hold still. It should take your BP reading within 20 seconds and there you go. You have a baseline reading and you can now start the journey towards understanding your stress patterns throughout the day. You have to measure your BP once more. Answer a few more questions and you're done. The app can also set up reminders so that you can check in your body and mind every day twice, once in the morning and again in the evening. There are a lot of features in this app and it seems like detailed insights are unlocked after a week of body map summaries are done. A couple of interesting things to note. You can answer a bunch of questions and enhance your experience, or I guess just improve the accuracy of the results, and the blood pressure is being given off as a percentage difference from your baseline and not in terms of 120, 80 or any number. I guess that's one of the reasons why this isn't exactly usable as medical aid. Maybe in the future, once the research has been concluded, Samsung will look to make it part of S Health. So, did you guys like the app? Tell us more in the comments down below. If you did, try the app out. Let us know how your experience was. Oh, and one more thing, the app doesn't work on any other device. Sorry, S8 and Note 5 owners, but this is a new sensor on the S9 series. And the heart sensor present on the back of your devices won't be able to measure blood pressure. So that's it for this quick video. If you hated it, you know what to do. But if you did find it interesting, then give this video a giant like, subscribe to C4E Tech and click on that bell icon to become part of our notification squad. And now, I must bid you adieu. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, you guys have a great day. If you're watching it at night, goodbye and good night.